You might want to connect your Apple device to CarPlay as you drive, but it's not working. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CarPlay not working. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you might want to check is that you should have your Bluetooth turned on. So to check on that quickly through your iPhone, just scroll down through the control center. So at the top right of your phone, just scroll down on that and just click on this Bluetooth icon and make sure that it has enabled your Bluetooth connection, because that will work as a connection with your CarPlay. Now, if that is turned on, you can just go to the settings, click on General right here, and you should see the CarPlay option right over here. So tap on that and we can check here if the connection is appearing. So if your car supports wireless CarPlay, you can set that up with your phone and it should show up from here as well. So you can also try connecting your iPhone with a USB connection. So make sure that you are using an authentic Apple cable as well, because other brands might not be working properly with CarPlay, and that might be causing this problem. So last thing that you can check is to go back to the settings page and click on software update right here and make sure that your iPhone or Apple device is up to date to the latest iOS version, so you can support on using the CarPlay feature as well. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.